Is Philip Bartov, and he's going to speak to us today about the new breath for your domain business. Sounds very exciting.
So I will talk how you can earn more money with your domains. And it's absolutely new way how you can earn more money with domains. It's not important if you have 10,000 domains, 10 domains, or 10 million domains. So how you see in your structure of domains. So all your domains look like that. So there are some domains that are unused. For example, you have 1 million domains. It means that, for example, 100,000 domains are unused. So people buy from you, you get some money from them, but domain are absolutely unused. They maybe have some parking page, but absolutely unused. So other, for example, 800,000 domains, people buy from you and redirect it somewhere else. So they buy domain names from you and redirect them to, I don't know, Alibaba, QQ, Baidu, GoDaddy, any other provider. And there are only small part of domains that buy from you, domain and hosting. And I meet many hosting companies. In the last 3 years, I meet hosting companies in about 70 countries. So I was in their office, I talked with them, I drank with them, I don't know, speak with them, and I ask about their problems. And all of them have similar problems. If you take about income from that, so typically you get $1, $2, $3, $4 from each domain. And for example, if somebody buy domain names from you and redirect somewhere else, you also get $2. So if person buy domain name from you and redirect it, I don't know, to any big brand, so you get $2, big brand get $50 because they provide hosting, or you provide only domain name. But if you provide domain name and hosting, you can get 30, 50, 100, $200 per year. So it's really valuable business. And the main thing is how to upgrade these domains to hosting. And it's huge money. You can double your business, you can scale your business 10 times, maybe 20 times. And it's like huge opportunity. And these like proportions in every market are different. For example, in Latin America, people, each domain, it means one hosting provider. Like they buy domain name, they buy hosting, like one-to-one. For example, in countries like US or China or Malaysia, I don't know, everywhere they buy one shared hosting and 10 domains. So in Canada, for example, I speak to people who has 2,000 hosting accounts and 100,000 domains. I ask them, what are people doing with this 100,000 domains? They said, we don't know. I ask, do you have the DNS records? Yes, we have. Do you use them? Yeah, most of them are used. What do you do with them? We don't care. And everybody of them thinking how to get more, how to sell more domains. I was, I don't know, anywhere around, in Japan, in South Korea. Customer says, we have 500,000 domains. Okay, how many shared hosting you have? We have 20,000 shared hosting. It looks okay, but, and they're thinking about how to sell more domains. They have 500,000 domains. They get less than $1 million from domain market. So it's like with 500,000 domains, you get less than 1 million from domain market. And they're still thinking how to get more domains, but they don't thinking how to sell more shared hosting, because shared hosting produce much more money. And how it works. People buy domain names from you. So you sell 1 million domains. And later they redirect domains to Wix, Weebly, I don't know, GoDaddy, I don't know, Alibaba, Baidu, everybody. Just they buy domain name from you and redirect somewhere. And what is important, if people buy domain name from you and redirect it to site builder, data is on the site builder and you are unable to get this customer back. For example, Ant's customer buy domain name from you. You are domain name seller. So customer buy domain name from you. And he redirected domain name, for example, to any brand. Wix, Weebly, Duda, I don't know, any of them. And you get $2, they get $100. Next year, you get $2, they get $100. Is it a business? Everybody else like, yeah, we have 500,000 domains. Yeah, your competitors do 500 million. So I would like to say that it's not a business when you get $2 and your competitor gets $100. So, and we're thinking about how to switch these guys back to you. To get customer, to get first lead is most expensive. You know, they work at the domain market that to get customer lead costs sometimes 2, 5, 10, 20, $50. We're talking with companies who sell ads for Wix, for Weebly, for GoDaddy. So they order us to buy ads from them for customer for $250 per customer. So again, we can make you like traffic, 10, $20 per click, or 200, $300 per customer. So it's like impossible to sell domain names, because to sell domain name, it's more expensive that you get money from that. And what I showed to you, that you can use this huge opportunity. 80% of domains are not used with your hosting. It depends on market. On some markets it's 10%, on some markets it's 90%. And I will show you how you can upgrade these customers like from there to you. We developed like new feature, it's website import. I show you how it works. So you can type any domain name, like I don't know, qq.com, anything, and how it works. This is like an example. Should be video here, but video doesn't work. So it's like video here, but it not supports video. Okay, so maybe I will show live at the end. So it's imagine that the video is going. So the idea is that you type any domain on your website. You type any domain on your website, click the button, and domain is on your site. So for example, you run million domains, and you just check your DNS records, and you see that 50,000 of them going to one provider. It's okay, but you have 50,000 customers who run domain with you and redirect the domain to one provider. So you can make an offer, said, hey guys, I am also providing shared hosting. You can like move to me. For example, if you're in Malaysia, you can say, hey guys, you don't need to host your website in US if you run Malaysian business. I'm in Malaysia. I'm faster. I'm providing local support. I provide local invoice, local currency. Like it will be better ping. Data will be here. You will have no problem with everything. So it will be much easier. And you can target these 50,000 customers. Say, hey customers, come back to my country. Like, and you can take, if you have million domains, you can cut them. For example, these guys using this provider, these guys using this provider, and you can come them back. And they just an example that we can import any website. Just an example. I just put several screens before. So this is like looks like Alibaba Cloud. We can also import to our platform. For example, Recent, like or Apple. Apple typically is one of the most popular websites that imported. So people like to import Apple website, make some changes, and publish. So it's typically how it works. And other problem is empty domains. For example, typically hosting company doesn't care about unused domains. So people buy from you domain, do not use it, and it's okay. And everybody think how to sell more. So I would like to say that you need to do something with that domain. For example, if customer do not use domain, it means that maybe he will drop it next year, and maybe he will never buy hosting from you. But I just put, for example, that you can empty web page or basic website. For example, if customer has no website and he has just a small website, it will be like a big opportunity for him. So, and you can grow about from 30 to 500% here. For example, if somebody, for example, one provider like you, sell domain names and do not care about websites, have empty web page. And other provider, for example, like you, they provide domain names plus website builder. So the domain like cycle will be longer because people have domain, they use it several times per year, and they will upgrade next year. But when they have just domain name, they can drop next year. Okay, and one more thing, if you need to sell more domain names, we checked with different industries. We test with telcos, we test with hosting companies, with shared hosting companies, like we use VPSs. We tested in all world regions. We tested, I don't know, in about 100 countries, with about 50, 70 countries. We have like direct talk, so it works everywhere. So if you sell domain name for $10, it's one deal. But if you sell domain name for $10 plus micro builder plus micro hosting can have 1 megabyte or 5 megabytes or never 10 megabytes, not more. If you sell, I don't know, 100,000 customers, you can contain them on one server. And for end customer view, this is just domain. This is whole business. And it costs for you only 10 cents. So to run smallest hosting and smallest website builder, only 10 cents. If you just say that for that plan, we do not provide support. So if you have any questions for website builder, we do not answer. Use fuck you and like read yourself, but we do not provide support, for example. So no problem. If you need support, go to the hosting plans, buy something. So it's like just start something, and you will sell more domain names. Typically, you will sell 20-30% more domain names, but in some countries, like for example Latin America, customers do not see value of domain if they have no website. If you would like to offer like a good domain name, I don't know, game.mx, for example, for Mexico, people like see, oh, what should I do with that? You understand that the big value is that game.mx could cost, I don't know, $50,000, but they are, oh, what should I do with that? They unable to understand what's happening with domain. So they need only domain name with complete business, and not domain name and hosting. They need domain name, hosting, and website. So if you offer them, this is domain, this is email, this is shared hosting, they unable to understand. They need to have completely everything. Yeah, and it costs for you only 10 cents. And later, when customer have domain name with you, when customer has like micro hosting with you, it's much easier to him. It's much easier to you to upgrade him to bigger plan, because he's already with you. But if he buy domain name from you and redirect it somewhere else, it means that you need to spend a lot of time to bring him back. And like several things why people like use import from other providers. So very typical case from hosting point of view, customer didn't pay for the plan, website was deleted, and it's gone. Hosting company hasn't copies, user hasn't copies, and you have nothing to do. So in that case, you can just recover website from web archive. So it's good idea. You can recover website. Also, for example, you said, I need a website. I like to have website like him. So you just put the URL, copy the website, change logo, change address, maybe several text, several photos, and you have website like him, but in several minutes. Also, there are very popular scenario. For example, my website was done 10 years ago. I still like it. In many countries, they still run many old websites. And after import, website becomes responsive. Or for example, there are like if you're a big provider, typically big providers have many platforms. They have like 50,000 with that platform, 10,000 with that platform, 50,000 with that platform. With website import, you can collect all them together. So you can run one platform instead of 20. For example, I know you have a website, but you're unable to edit. Your website is very old, for example. So you can import website to our platform and start changing it at the moment. And typically it's a world fastest way how to build a website.
So okay, my first website. This shape here, resize. Let's add a picture and a gallery to look more stylish. Also, I'll try to insert some documents here. And now some text. Resize it to fit our cool shape. Now preview. Resizing is so easy and fast, and responsive. Awesome! Yeah, I'll try to modify it to make it even better. Transform this one to another. One shape is not enough, I think. Let's resize our amazing text to make place for even more cool stuff. Bit of rearranging and boom! Google Maps. And more pictures. I like pictures. So, wow, a different design in a minute. That's real magic.
And I would like to show you like live how website import works. And I need just several domain names from the audience. Can you sell just your favorite domain names? Can you? I see you would like to say it. Can you say just any domain name and just show how it works? Go.com. Okay. So put go.com to download. Typically, it's the world fastest way how we can rebuild the website. And what is important, we can at the moment edit it. So once we understand the website, we can edit. So it's very awesome when you had a website and you lose it. For example, you buy domain name, put somewhere, hosting provider disappeared, or guys who made the website for you disappeared. And you need to make changes for the website. And you need like the same website with small changes. And you sometimes pay 1,000 euros to get new companies and make small changes on the website. A very good question, but customer is responsible for the content. For example, when customer use Wechat, they can, I don't know, use for different topics, but when customers doing something with Wechat, he's responsible for the content. So also when customer uses technology, he is responsible for the content. Of course, when he takes information from Apple, he should understand that he takes information from Apple. So, and if he copy his website, he typically owner of the content, so he will now have the problems. But you as a provider, you provide technology. For example, you Skype provide the technology, and Skype are not responsible if somebody like talking about terrorism through Skype. They're providing technology. And also we provide technology that helps you. Also this technology can like awesome for fraud, for example. So you can block technology for one customers and enable for others. For example, you can ask money for that technology. For example, these guys are free. For free customers, I will do not provide it for freemium. Or for example, some hosting companies, they do it for specific customers. If you need help, I will do it. If you do not need help, I will not do it. But typically it's like website and I'm unable to change it. Like, you can like remove some elements, resize it, like if it's flash banners, I like unable to download the flash here, but I can like drag all these elements like complete everything. So like, and also understand the structure of website. So it's like, so it looks like that, and so it's just scroll whole website and whole structure. So you can run between pages, and you can also like run menu, go to different pages, and modify menu items, and like if website is about 5-10 pages, it's like I don't know 20 seconds, and it's already done. And this is like technology that allows you to get website from anywhere. Typically, just my last note, if your customer buy website directly from website builder, you are technologically unable to get him back. For example, if I buy a website from website builder, you have no FTP details, so you're unable to connect to website builder and take it. And this technology allows you to get any website from anywhere to you and continue working with that. So yeah, thank you for your time.